The multi-payment portal is a great way to quickly pay dues for multiple ACC members at once. Keep watching to learn how to use this helpful feature. First, you must have an ACC.org account. If you don't, click Create Free Account on the ACC.org homepage and follow the prompts. If you don't already have one, creating an ACC account is free and allows you to register for events, purchase ACC products, and redeem promo codes or discounts for educational products. Next, log into your account by clicking Log in to My ACC in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Once you are logged in, click on Members in the top right-hand corner of the page. Next, click the Renew button. Scroll down the page until you see the Multi-Payment Portal section. Click Access the Multi-Payment Portal. This page contains more information about the Multi-Payment Dues portal, including what you'll need to use the portal. Make sure you have a valid ACC.org username and password, as well as the ACC member IDs for each member whose dues you wish to pay. Click Get Started to proceed. On this page, input your email address and leave the box checked if you wish to receive payment receipts for the transaction. Then, search by ACC member ID for the members whose dues you wish to pay. Note that member IDs can be found on the mailed paper statement each member receives, as well as at the bottom of ACC renewal emails. When the member's name appears, click Yes when asked if you'd like to pay their dues. Review the membership dues, add any voluntary contributions, and select Pay Now. Enter payment information and any promotional codes, and select Pay Now. Once payment is processed, both you and the member will receive a confirmation email, and you will be redirected back to the multi-payment portal. If you have additional dues to pay, you can now repeat the process for a new member.